Today we celebrate not just a new bridge, but the journey it took to get here. Projects like this don't happen overnight. They take vision, persistence, partnership, and a shared belief that our infrastructure is worth investing in.
This bridge matters not because of its just being a bridge, but it matters for our region. Within 2-mile radius of this corridor, there are over 15,000 jobs. And new companies come here to work, and they rely on infrastructure that works for them, for their employees, for deliveries, for access. And if the road gapes or the bridges sag or the interchanges back up, it affects productivity and quality of life, work of life.
I kind of got my start here in advocacy in Walker as the president of the Friends of the Standdale Trails group. And within that group, I learned of the amazing trail system that we have here in Walker and throughout the state, and particularly on the west side here. And one of the missing pieces has been this connection between the Pioneer Trail, the White Pine Trail, and the Standdale Trail. It's a key intersection to unlock hundreds of miles of trail here in the state of Michigan. It is a destination trail now.
This investment shows that we are sending a clear signal that we believe in this region's future and that we are committed to continue to make this happen and to grow.
Projects like this remind us that progress happens when we work together across all levels of government, with the private sector, and most importantly, with the support and understanding of our residents.
When you can bring those kinds of voices together where you're getting strong advocacy and agreement on both sides of the aisle, that is when we get things done.
Let's remember what we're really celebrating is opportunity. Opportunity for commerce, opportunity for safety, and opportunity for the continued vitality of our great community.